Gosh dang it. How's it going, everyone? BennyChris12 here, and today I'm going to do a product review of something that is pretty dang odd. And I have no clue why I bought it, but you know, I did. So now you get to watch this video. So I saw this Amazon ad when I was looking for like random Nintendo stuff, and it pops up with Gears of War 4 for Nintendo 64. Obviously, this is not actually Gears of War 4. And I was like, why would anyone want to buy this? It sounds extremely stupid. You're going to display it or something? I don't know. I guess that's what I'm going to do. But in the fine print of the thing, it said, obviously it was stating, this is the game that comes in it is not Gears of War 4. However, it's a randomly used in Nintendo 64 cartridge. And I was like, well, heck, that's pretty cool. I was like, I want to know what the random cartridge is. So I pretty much bought it for specifically that reason. So we're going to take a look at it, and then we're going to pop it in the N64, and we're going to see what game it is. Make your prediction now, what game you think it is. Personally, I think it's going to be either a sports game or a really obscure title. But most likely it's going to be sports, like wrestling or baseball. I don't know. We're going to find out though. So let's just get some close-up shots of it. I've already taken a look at it, however I've not put it in the Nintendo 64 because I wanted the first time to be on camera. But actually the case looks pretty well. It's pretty cool. I think they did a good job on it. I noticed when you look on the inside, I don't know if the camera will focus on it, but it tells you which way to stick the game if it's Nintendo 64, Sega Genesis, or SNES. So this is like an old rental case that could hold multiple different games. And they probably just swapped out the cover for whatever game. There you go, Gears of War 4, and it's got the little blood splatter there on the back. So the front label is actually like peeling off very slightly. And I kind of just want to pull it up to see what's under there. But I also kind of don't, because I don't. The back label, it's pretty plain. You can actually tell. See if the camera will focus on it closer. It looks pretty bad, so you can tell it's like obviously a fake reproduction label. I don't know why they didn't just leave the original label on the back, considering it says the same thing, but it's pretty low quality. One more thing we're going to do, because I bought this screwdriver on the internet as well. We're going to take it apart. We're going to see what the inside cartridge looks like before we pop it in. Okay, so we have the back plate there. It's a half circuit board. Through that little hole you can see Nintendo though. So it is, I believe, an official game. Is a 1996. But let's get it put back together and we will throw it in. And if I need to, I will take it apart again and clean the teeth. Isn't this a nice little studio? We're going to pop this little guy in and see if it works. Started talking like myself.
Oh, you rotate the... Oh! Oh.
Hey.
Just getting a feel for it. Okay. Yeah, there's the, still can't see it.
I turned off the TV thinking that was the power button on the Nintendo. I'm a freaking idiot! It might not work, but it also might work.
It won't work.
It might not work. Because
where'd you get it?
Amazon. I don't want to... Okay, so my Nintendo is working. On? It's going?
Yeah, the light's all messed up. Oh, there we go.
It's recording?
You're messing up the light.
I'm messing up the light? I'm going to sit down.
Yeah, sit down.
What's that? Well...
I don't know why... Oh, it's because it's focusing on the TV, that's why. It was like getting real dark.
Okay, so I just stuck the circuit board in. Wait, is it zoomed in or is everything in the shot?
It's zoomed out, but it gets dark when the screen comes on because it's like, you know.
That's fine.
Adjusting.
That's fine. As long as you can see it. So I stuck just the circuit board in the thing, and it's working, which is weird. Clearly, this is not Gears of War 4. Gotta get the picture. Aero Fighter Assault. Gotta do the Amazon retail on this one. It's a $20 game by the cartridge by itself. Kind of a whack one.
How are the controls? Touchy?
I changed the camera and I don't know how to change it back.
You know, I think I don't know if they made this game for PlayStation, but I believe I've played it before.
I just want to change back. You know, there's always just one way to go out. Just that.
Was it worth it?
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Was it worth it? You know? For that 5 minutes of a video, I think it was. I think I'm going to put it back together now. I'm probably going to do a Let's Play of Aero Fighters Assault. Not actually, but you know. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and learn don't just buy random games. See you next time.